Chonon Chongapyo ihangin jit in the fisherman. I learned a fisherman, if I get a tuna or fish, we have to sell the tuna and survive 21 days and to be strong.
Yo chonon yulpusan, churahakya yukanyan ajil inida. The Fisherman. I have learned from the video entitled The Fisherman. Moral: if you get a tuna that's a big fish, you can sell it and you have to live there in 21 days. And we healthy, strong, and hardworking and teamwork, so we can survive.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 6학년 트랜스입니다. Kafka. My explanation about Kafka is never married and had no children. Then Kafka was walking to the park and she saw a girl crying because his doll was missing. And after Kafka died, she said to the girl who was a doll that everything you'll probably lost, everything you love probably lost, but in the end, love will return to you. 감사합니다.
Sayo, chonon yultosal, churahakya yukanyan ajil inida. Franz Kafka. I learned from this story entitled Franz Kafka. In the little girl want to teach us that love are deeply connected. Even when something precious is gonna love friends a way to return in other form. Change is part of and through kindness, imagination, and acceptance, we can turn pain into hope and growth. Explain. I learned from the story entitled Franz Kafka, and I realized Kafka wanted to message or say to the little girl that not everyone will always stay by your side. But in the end, love will always return, but in the other way, as I summarize it, love will always return, not in the same age, in the other way or other people. 감사합니다.
Sayo Chonon Yulsisa Chongapyo ihangin jit in I learned from the story entitled Franz Kafka, who never married and had no children, met a crying girl in a Berlin park who lost her doll. They searched unsuccessfully. Kafka gave her a letter written by the doll. Please don't cry. I took a trip to see the world. I will write to you about my adventure. Thus began a story until Kafka read the doll's letters with adventures. Explain. At 40 minutes, a girl in Berlin who lost her doll, the word letters pretending to be the doll, describing its adventures to comfort her. This continued until Kafka did, and he eventually brought back a doll for her.
안녕하세요. 저는 10살 초등학교 5학년 소피아입니다. My moral entitled Kafka. I have learned change is essential for personal growth and transformation. Intentionally creating connections with others can help us find joy and meaning even when faced with difficult circumstances. Even small acts of kindness can have a lasting impact on others' lives. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 12살 중학교 1학년 전입니다. The story of Franz Kafka and the little girl. teaches us about love, loss, and change it. It shows how kindness and imagination can heal pain. Kafka helped the girl understand that even when we lost something we love, life continues and love can return in different and meaningful ways.
안녕하세요. 저는 14살 총학교 2학년 merming입니다. The story of Franz Kafka and the little girl shows the power of kindness and imagination. When the girl lost her doll, Kafka comforted her with stories of hope and change. It teaches that loss is part of life, but love always returns in new forms, helping us grow and heal.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 6학년 질란이입니다. The story of Franz Kafka and the little girl. Girl teaches an important lesson about loss and transformation. When the girl lost her doll, Kafka's letters help her accept change with hope. It reminds us that everything we love may be lost, but love always returns in another beautiful and unexpected way.